Alpha. Short video here to talk about maintenance mode. So the web hosting platform has a maintenance mode function built in. It's very simple to use. So I'm just here logged into the back end of a site here, didgeridoos.com, and you'll see there's this toggle here, maintenance mode. So basically just click that and it puts the site into a maintenance mode. So give that a second and then you'll see, let me type it properly, didgeridoos.com. You'll see it displays a site's undergoing maintenance. So to disable it, pretty simple, click the button there. What this function does, it puts this file, I'll just turn it back on so you can see. It puts this file here, .maintenance, in the folder. You'll see .maintenance. So if you have something weird going on after turning it off and it's still there and it's not turned off, so basically just delete that file and it will go away. So if we just go back here and reload it. But this is useful if you're working on the site, doing updates, maintenance, actually doing maintenance on the site. Very straightforward, so I'll just turn that off here again. So that's it. That's enabling maintenance mode. If you get stuck, just reach out to our support team and they'll be able to help you out. Cheers.